Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my friend Aubrey Kate and we will be making a very easy tapestry. The things that you will need to make this super easy tapestry is a wooden dowel. I got this at Walmart. It was 75 cents and it was about 3 feet long, but I used about 1 foot of it for this tapestry. So there's 2 feet left and that's basically enough to make 2 tapestries.
The next item you'll need is some good scissors that are able to cut clean and well.
The third and final item that you will need is yarn. You can get yarn about anywhere. I got this kind at Hobby Lobby and that kind at Walmart. It's fairly inexpensive and there are so many different kinds. You can get thick yarn. This is very thick. This is sort of thin, but it still works perfectly. That's what I made this one with. But today we are going to be making the 2 tapestries out of this kind of yarn.
Now that the dowel is cut in half, it's time to start step number 1.
We both have our cut dowels, and now for step number 1, I'm going to take the end of the string, hold it in my thumb and pointer finger, and then I'm going to wrap it around my elbow. Oops. 10 times. Okay, so I wrapped it around 10 times, and now I'm going to cut it right here. Oops, So I have the 10 cut strands, and now I'm actually going to separate it in half. So grab 5. Okay? And then I'm going to take my dowel, and then I'm gonna set down the yarn like this, so it's about equal. Then put my dowel over it, cross it over, and then pull the 2 ends through the loop, and then tighten it. And then kind of pull it together, and then you have your very first knot. Alright, now you just keep repeating step 1 until your whole dowel is filled up. Aubrey, Kate, and I are finished with our tapestries. They look very thick and full, and that's what I love about them. So we started the yarn with a very good sized piece, and now we have about this much left. There was 114 yards in the full ball of yarn, and then in this one that I made this one with, there was 102, and I had about this much left. Oops, about this much left. So you can use probably 100 or more yards if you want to make like 2 tapestries. And yeah, they look super great. Also, it looks kind of scraggly at the bottom, so you can trim it to a point or just trim all the unevens off. What I love about these is if you have leftover yarn, if one doesn't look very good, you can always just replace it with a new one. So like I said, you can trim it like round, or you can trim it straight across, or you can trim it to a point like I did with this one right here. I'll probably trim this one to a point. And then the very last step is to cut another piece of string. Mine is about this long. And then you just tie it to the ends of your dowel, like Aubrey Kate has already done. And then you are done with your tapestry. I really hope you guys make these super cute and easy tapestries.
And I hope you liked the video.
And if you did, make sure to like down below and also subscribe for more videos like this.
Bye!